Hi guys, I am Dr. Vinod Pankaj Misra and you are welcome in my YouTube channel Pankaj Institute of English. So dear friends, I am here with part 6 Indian writing in English. 5 part 5th Indian writing in English. Dear friend, इसके पहले मैं क्वेश्चन नंबर 1 to 76 तक कंप्लीट कर चुका हूँ पार्ट 1 2 3 4 parts में and this is fifth part. Dear friends, these questions are very useful competitive exam point of view क्योंकि ये पिछले कई सालों के जो क्वेश्चन पेपर आए हैं उन्हीं पे आधारित मॉडल पेपर हैं। तो यदि आपको ये क्वेश्चन यूजफुल लगे तो इस वीडियो को ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा लाइक करिए, शेयर करिए और यदि आप चैनल के लिए नए हैं तो प्लीज़ इसे सब्सक्राइब करिए, बेल आइकॉन को प्रेस करिए ताकि इस प्रकार के वीडियो जब भी अपलोड हों तो उनका नोटिफिकेशन आप तक पहुँच सके। हमारा क्वेश्चन नंबर है 77। यहाँ पे 4 वर्क्स दिए हुए हैं। द स्ट्राइडर्स, इंटीरियर लैंडस्केप, हाइमन्स फॉर ड्राउनिंग। तो यहाँ पे ये 4 बुक्स दिए हुए हैं, 4 वर्क हैं। तो इनमें से इनको वी हैव टू अरेंज इन वी हैव टू करेक्ट सीक्वेंस। पिक द करेक्ट सीक्वेंस। ऑप्शन ए है हाइमन फॉर ड्राउनिंग, द इंटीरियर लैंडस्केप एंड द स्ट्राइडर। ऑप्शन बी है जो इसमें द इंटीरियर, यस, the interior landscape, the striders, hymens for drowning. Option C है the interior landscape, hymens for drowning and the striders. Option D है the striders, the interior landscape and hymens for drowning. So which one is the correct of this question? So the option D is the correct of this question. तो इसका ये लेकर के ऑप्शन डी, यस, द स्ट्राइडर, द इंटीरियर लैंडस्केप, हाइमन्स फॉर ड्राउनिंग इज द करेक्ट आंसर। नाउ डियर फ्रेंड्स, नाउ क्वेश्चन नंबर 78। 78 कहता है हु कॉल्ड अरुंधति रॉय सक्सेसफुल वेंचर इन फिक्शन ए फ्रीक। Who called Arundhati Roy's successful venture in fiction and a freak? Yes, these 4 options are here. Option A Pratish Nandi, option B R.K. Narayan, option C Kamala Das and option D Arvind Adegga. The option C is the C Kamala Das is the correct answer. इसको ब्रश ले करके option C Kamala Das is the correct answer. Now question number 79. Which of the following work of Raja Rao depicts the story of a revenue office clerk and his extramarital affair? Which of the following work of Raja Rao depicts the story of revenue office clerk and his extramarital affairs? Option A Kantapura, option B Comrade Kirillov, option C the serpent and the rope and option D the cat and Shakespeare. So which one is the correct answer? Option D the cat and the Shakespeare is the correct answer of this question. Option D. Option D the cat and Shakespeare is the correct answer. Again the question related to क्रोनोलॉजिकल सीक्वेंस। डियर फ्रेंड्स, इस प्रकार के क्वेश्चन बहुत ही इम्पोर्टेंट होते हैं क्योंकि इनमें 4 वर्क्स दिए होते हैं, 4 वर्क्स। यहाँ पे भी है, ऑप्शन ए में है संस्कारा, द गॉड ऑफ स्मॉल थिंग्स, द काउ ऑफ द बैरिकेड एंड अदर स्टोरीज। ऑप्शन बी है द काउ ऑफ द बैरिकेड्स एंड द अदर स्टोरीज, संस्कारा, द गॉड ऑफ स्मॉल थिंग्स। ऑप्शन सी द गॉड ऑफ स्मॉल थिंग्स, द काउ ऑफ द बैरिकेड्स and other stories, or samskara. Option D samskara, the cow of the barricade and other stories, the god of small things. So which one is the correct answer? Option B. Option B the cow of the barricades of other stories, then samskara, the god of small things. Now question number 81 है, which of the following is not short story by Raja Rao? Which of the following is not a short story by Raja Rao? Option A Akaya, option B the Little Gram Shop, option C the Hindu and option D Kanaka Pal. The correct answer is option C the Hindu. The Hindu is not a short story by Raja Rao. Now question number 82. Which of the following work contains speeches and writing about India during the emergency period? Option A, voice of a voice for freedom. Option B, history of freedom movement. Option C, present and chocolate cake. And option D, fear sad fear sad fear. So which one is the correct answer? The correct answer of this question is option A, a voice for freedom. A voice for freedom is the correct answer of this question. Now question number 83. 83 question है, which of the following work of which of the following work of Nayanthara Sehgal won her the Sahitya Academy Award in 1986? Four options are here: Fear, Sad Fear, Rich Like Us, A Time to Be Happy, A Storm in Chandigarh. So which one is the correct answer? The correct answer of this one is option B, Rich Like Us. Now question number 84. With which of the following work would you associate the character of Nikhil, Bimla, Sandeep? Option A, Kabuliwala. Option B, Gora. Option C, The Home and the World. And option D, The Wreck. The correct answer is The Home and the World. यानी कि option C is the correct answer. Now question number 85. Which of the following is an autobiography of Nayanthara Sehgal? Option A, Rich Like Us. Option B, Storm in Chandigarh. Option C, A Time to Be Happy. And option D, Present and Chocolate Cake. So the correct answer of this one is the Present and Chocolate Cake, यानी कि option D is the correct answer. डियर फ्रेंड्स, इस प्रकार के क्वेश्चंस को यदि आप सुनते हैं तो सुन के भी आपको ये क्वेश्चन लर्न होंगे और किसी भी कम्पिटिटिव एग्ज़ाम में आप बहुत ही हेल्पफुल होंगे. सो नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, क्वेश्चन नंबर 86. विच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग इज ए नोवेला रिटन बाय रविंद्रनाथ टैगोर? ऑप्शन ए, गोरा. ऑप्शन बी, द रैक. ऑप्शन सी, द ब्रोकन नेस्ट. एंड ऑप्शन डी, द हंग्री स्टोन. Which of the following is a novella written by Rabindranath Tagore? The correct answer is option C. Yes, option C is the correct answer. The Broken Nest. Now, question number 87. Sorry. Question number 87 है, which of the following is not a poem written by Rabindranath Tagore? Option A, Lover's Gift. Option B, Crossing. Option C, The Fugitive. And option D, A Band in the Ganges. A Band in the Ganges. So which one is the correct answer? Correct answer of this question is A Band in the Ganges. Option D is the correct answer. Option D is the correct answer. Now question number 88. Question number 88. Pick the correctly matched pair. Option A, A.K. Ramanujan, Padma Shri. Option B, Sarvepalli Radhakrishnan, Nobel Prize. Option C, Giv Patel, MacArthur Prize. Option D, R.K. Narayan, Booker Prize. So which one is the correct answer? The correct answer is A.K. Ramanujan and Padma Shri. Yes, A.K. Ramanujan, Padma Shri. Option question number 89. Pick the correctly matched pair. Option A, The Dark Room, C.T. Narasimha. Option B, Love Song, State Petition Nandi. Option C, Dadu and Other Stories, Mandeep Rai. Option D, How Do You Withstand Body, Raja Rao. The correct answer is option B. Option B is the correct answer. Now question number 90. Pick the correctly matched pair. Again, option A, Face to Face, Chaman Nahal. Option B, The Witness of Bone, Arvind Krishna Malhotra. Option C, The Soul's Prayer, Sarojini Naidu. Option D, The Weird Dance and Ved Prakash Mehta. So option C. Option C, The Soul's Prayer by Sarojini Naidu is the correct answer. Now question number 91. What was the real name of Swami Vivekanand? Option A, Vivekanand. Option B, Narendra Nath. Option C, Surendra Nath. And option D, Ramakrishna. The correct answer is option B, Narendra Nath. Now, question number 92. Who addressed the Ethical Society of Brooklyn and the Harvard University? Option A, Khushwant Singh. Option B, M.K. Gandhi. Option C, Swami Vivekanand. And option D, Pandit Nehru. Swami Vivekanand is the correct answer. Option C. Now, question number 92. Who at 93? Who writes columns in the Hindustan Times? Who writes columns in the Hindustan Times? Option A, British Nandi. Option B, Khushwant Singh. Option C, Geep Patel. And option C, R.K. Narayan. The correct answer is Khushwant Singh. Khushwant Singh is the correct answer. Khushwant Singh is the correct answer. Now 94, question number 94. Which of the following work portrays the life of a Sikh family before the independence of India? Which of the following work portrays the life of a Sikh family before the independence of India? Option A, When Sikh Meets Sikhs. Option B, Karma. Option C, I Shall Not Hear the Nightingale. And option D, A History of the Sikh. So the correct answer is A History of the Sikh. Option D is the correct answer. Now question number 95. This is the second last question of this video. Dear friends, यदि आपको इस प्रकार के क्वेश्चन यूजफुल लगें तो इसे ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा लाइक करिए, शेयर करिए और यदि आप चैनल के लिए नए हैं तो प्लीज़ इसे सब्सक्राइब करिए, बेल आइकॉन को प्रेस करिए ताकि इस प्रकार के वीडियो जब भी अपलोड हों तो उनका नोटिफिकेशन आप तक पहुंच सके. Question number 95. Which of the following describe the impact of new economic and political ideas of traditional Indian society? Option A, The Princess. Option B, A Silence of Desire. Option C, Articulate Silence. And option D, Cow waves in the sun. The correct answer is A Silence of Desire. Option B is the correct answer. Last question of this video. Which of the following is a social comedy? The Apprentice. Option B, The Vermilion Boat. Option C, Cradles of the Cloud. And option D, Asmund in India. Which the option D, Asmund in India is the correct answer. Thank you for watching.